miss the fireworks in the summer. I'm freezing my butt off out here watching fireworks. I can't believe it out my front door. I gotta send this to you. Can't believe it. I missed them during the summer altogether. And look at this. I don't even know why they're going on. It's like freezing. I need to get my boots on. I can't stop. There's fireworks going on. This is outside my front door. Look at that. Freezing my butt off watching fireworks. Not even a holiday. Gotta be Jolly Orchards or something. Something going on somewhere. So small here. Come on. You blink, you'll miss it. There's beautiful fireworks though. Freezing my butt off. That's why I'm shaking. Pause for one moment. Getting boots on. I'm gonna pause too long. Look at that. Wow. Boots are on out the door. Fireworks in the middle of the winter time. Nuts. Okay, about to get my coat on. I think these fireworks are going to last for a while. Freezing. Trying to keep it as still as I can while I'm shivering. They gotta have something in this smelly town to attract attention, don't we?